way.
But all Ghana near about way settings. Upa baya wa yes settings. Partner say plane the amount for kogudamu yenye ni say yanka ni say yenye drama enchire Ghana for yenye concert party enchire Ghana for the omo pass me siri no omo siri no omo remfu omo ho a NDC aban.
And to the president of the land, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the supreme leader, why are Dibiama? Ghana for only be air Bonabaso, but a piece so any other clash. Efa fuel allowances, I said, all government appointees. His Excellency the President, Ekem, na Ochemono, Ghana for only be reacted to that. Jantuah, Abetrana, Ewo, Ama Bonohene, crowd on the Obek class with Mahama say settings or Bua Wabiana to Okem, and so deep down, Okem, Obekan say the ISM committee, I said. I say, then what you that's what I will comment section. I Penyah Block Media. Let's say any demo. Over like video, no allow my subscribe button and sound like a notification of latest updates. Now better watch in the moment. I will comment section. Let's also pass on not even post any bit action. It just got a hand on media or more parliament house work. Any ministers no. Yet me before yena yasum room. A room that assume your daddy. Yena yasum because no. Yet me for na yasi omo na assume your daddy. Ye to your land bill. Ye to fuel. Ye to be what I say, almost at Roshamra beguya yeso. Omo de Tobia ba a beguya yeso. But Omo soon yan hair. Omo petrol free. Omo try utility bills. Like Bena be wun chebi. Oko Fieswa. And near more we sniff fieno. And yasim kuma. And near my palm we sniff fieno. And easy. But at the end of the day, no. Ya catch your class says, O market your baby say go through. Emma de Biana Becase. Yes, I say a kaka at the energy sector. A kaka at the energy sector. And you're confident boyaka because Omuka Muchiro, a high fuel consumption car. Kaumuchino, a no fuel, but Omu fuel is free. And never use omission if any market. What I say, and never wish to feel any market at the end of the day. No. Like by a cotton, Omuchebi, omission free, but Mahama the president, I didn't know the baby. They are going to say, I got a year. 18. Sardina made them government officials. Also, the cabinet jump 2012 when but the second team was the baby. Ghana wa ho hiem enti no sa fuel line MP2 ka do bu free kuntan no okọ 20 gallons a day no ahye ne kwa bara say 20 gallons a day no ahye ne kwa e di sa dey na no fuel allowances no Mahama say watwam wa ye free ho as MP as minister every government official o pese o twika say etimemfo no ye to fuel no won so okoto a na free botomu a o twia Ube say idea me na meto we know how it feels. Ube say we sweat it won't chika rough off won't chika basalas it wan go to be. E ma do be na Jantuah of Enshira FM and Enshira TV. Abenu was eye pa na so academy ni be o say Mahama timi pe na odwetwam edekam e bi ne ene even article 71 kwa ni nyina no omundwetwam
de no sure ira John Mahama breaking news out there by me fepa because on also kind one and then my bona baso baako allowance no the second one is say or say a free neko we government appointee a petrol yen toma wa beto petrol Yera John Mahama say what they aba some few minutes ago less than 1 hour and now I'm a fellas de atoso but your Facebook na yemfanto so see or say Empo DSTV subscription na bosome so a o se wa wo hwe a wa uchi a wa de eno ano no inti government appointee bia no inti mebe kenkan quickly we breaking news and Tuesday July 15 here John Dramani Mahama waka wasaye on this note ye bonabaso first one or say President Mahama scrap fuel allowance and allocation to appointees. I read President John Dramani Mahama has effective immediately. I like the word. Effective immediately.
Wow.
Directed the cancellation of payment of fuel allowances and allocation of fuel to all political appointees.
Wow.
Chirimu.
And you say, Mampeni John Dramani Mahama say a free sabre ya say sia ekwi. Wetwa femwo ehu sika yede ma aban mpanimfo a yebo omudin so omuni dwuma no watwam yemfa ma wo mu bim.
The directive form parts of a broader curb in government expenditure aimed at cutting costs and channeling public funds into priority areas.
Yeah.
The president believes that leadership must also bear its part of the sacrifices it is calling on the people to make. I like this. I want to repeat. The president believes that leadership must also bear its part of the sacrifices it is calling on the people to make. The latest cost-cutting measure follows sweeping reduction on the size of government through the appointment of fewer ministers and presidential office staff. Other measures have included stopping satellite TV subscriptions for offices at the presidency and other government facilities.
Nana, or say sa and she say odi be no beboa ama car yebo asomai na sika ye no baby agina no enye ntu betumi etwetwa ka no so no mo di sika no akọ baabi e step fata se be ye beboa oman no empumtuo na oso wogidi se akanie no etwa se omo so ede omo ho ba afori bi Emma wo man no say be ya no ma betumi akoso nti wo se we ye cost cutting na so wo de etika aban no eboso na etumi aboa ma aban no ne kese the size of the government no any appointees no etumi aye kakra bi ne ho ka no so aye kakra bi nti mampani John Dramani Mahama wo se TV subscription so ka ho the DSTV na no mo kokoto no any adede ma wo mo hwe ni free no se since wa no pa no ato wa de aguso and it is a good call
John Dramani Mahama
nana because oji fuel say BJ o say yes if we say no so wo hwa na no na me hwe obi de no
let's do this
o de mate
nana ka so mo man stese
na so na wo say we
da bi nana say unse we de be den
ene na be den
o you can appointees you know omo letters omo then we
e betimi aye o ba me pa che say unse appointees no ye nim specifically amount
ko DC you will DCs be ho and you ministers they can give you those cost allowance
no na me yes am say ke so mo man say ye boka 5 cedi wo fu ho ye twem ti later na ye call parliament na budget na ne unse bi aye 1 cedi 1 cedi ye de ko ha ba say si ade na na okay ninja me yes am say okay chief compound de no
yeah
unse dum du business kana ye huran ko mo mfa man ni nya
ko ye me yes ade no de ye nye ye musabusa
na say o na maka say John Mahama na phase 2 ya nipa ko hye na ji o chinchim ne de remote ko no nto battery ngum
yes
na nipa na no chinchim ni say ya man eye
mate
go na na mutumi ba interview ne sisu sa no pe go 12 cedis na no mo sante so ekosoro
yeah
monto so man ogu se kutu na sidu ade ma am sem tom for da dwa maso za fu ezu asa
fu 200 okay ne 200 de so ma obi a
na no eba mi ensa
200 de na say uto 200 fuel a unse eye
na say fu na system no so echewu
ayeche papa na
say MPA for na ye bi asa say ne wo system
ye wo run 95 and run 91
ona 91 no kra no to eche
you say monitoring no I say
omu ile de ni bebre free system
yeah ona na ye o say o to eche na mama say onko ne say ya na say ne epewu no tumfo kan no enye bibi gidigidi bia o ba na we kura na ebia na jirigogo but say Ghana ni na to ne tim say atwafu em wohu sa ne ma ne tintintirinti nya kasahyew soft ne man ketenkete na den tin na ato of so hwe DSTV
except you dey share on the information on the international news information you need
nana international news no ko phone a
dabi na say TV ya ni bia na be to phone
na media say one month me use be
it doesn't mean say hu here I think say you see the reason why we twem ne say ene de hu here you need the DSTV but what he's saying is that if you look at the quantum cost aban no wa person subscriber subscribe
no I want me ban so our lands commission na the time be hwe DSTV once a man
no commission a lot of things what DSTV
na wo kan no why no say all fan say single to say be a minister not in the office no no will be bad man nana ura departments now offices no bia wo de diko da bia ebinum
I don't have a problem
nana 81 office no subscriptions on be no ho nya agro one agency who could rawa ebia offices by 10 obia won separate
office is
how
there,
we
what
share
10,
and
no?
look at the cost.
See, office is there, what 10, no? John Mahama say we came.
And only say
You
no.
never see Kanye.
no no ye kai
And no dey no one page.
na me akokwa kaza mo
Only
hekra
me and information
But
word, you
also
cannot do
information
without
word ni ye catch
it.
say.
No, but not everybody no be.
Nana they take entertainment allowances. They should use those allowances to watch it. And to data. Hey, we for some George Abua data
Abua
Abua.
man na ba Jantuah me dan yo we produce permit fui
Aye.
oba de paint ba ko san dan ho akotro se me yansi dan no hwe DSTV
Nana fu e kra wo mo bebre nye o mo ande use. O mo girlfriends dey use.
Nana Saturday kra akokwa enya master. Na me de aban internet twa bet nyina. Nana ni na reset na se reset. Na wo de aban internet na de hwebu no. Na wo se kan obi abie bi hwe bi.
Eugene fu e ye o mo ban fu e ye o mo use side chicks ya na agi fu. We ono wo de aduma be.
Mama mani nye complicated. First of all, we are in the information world. So you need those information. Very
there
relevant.
are so many ways to do that.
No. There are certain information on DSTV. Say Bloomberg or say CNN or say you need those things because information ministry. You cannot be an information minister when you don't know international news.
Do
not assume say only social media. You need it.
I understand.
I think that you will be why they abuse it and the cost is too much.
Nana, they know why they did that. Your amount of subscription if you are Osha omo pay ni hwan allowances omogia. There's entertainment allowance. TV na yede. Already. There's entertainment allowance wo wa. Sike BG.
Are you saying say bia okuku na Jimmy hono? TV wo hono.
So okuku say oje entertainment allowance. No. Eju say multimedia kra say omo ye yina.
Na okuku dey say kra say etwam. Na ojira ha ye entertain ni aye kasa wote. Onya allowance bia. Na reset ma e ba no. E say etwam. Na fu e guess ya no. E say na we obi kan wo say FBI. Cheche boys no akwahye no no credit ni bi beko what wa na o girl an na to bibia yoko na obi send 2000 of ice cream uni get bibia nsi yo what 2000 got ice cream wa say dwa no guarantee phone no matwam na ye na de ba ko mu se ntwam e convoy tententen no na minister no ko ba bi na ka 3 who opposition ba interview na bi na bi the boat na eba ebi the boat ana na eba any taxi ni ade ne car 3 wo ye hwan president Mahama na kra kokra na hwe cars ana yentwetwa ni nyina na sa na marketing kete no na de wo de say wow lifestyle kra no twetwa ne marketing kete
yeah we see
yeah
kakra
no for me I think say John Mahama and I win so oshebo
yeah
and why until what you are the head of lead mpacho send the monitor all the tracking your man ni so far a boy no share you know na you
so mo kaftan na kura no bi ka ye hwe
munya dia mo ye no na dey until mpacho
no ma be wa na etwa mo babu ayo sika ye de mo pa at the end of the month
na no me social democrat t-shirt
Debbie
banana saa de we no eno ma bi wo ho no man ka me de nke kamea ka me ye mra na ho
yeah
oh de me kire no ye hu se saa de we betimi aboa wo man
ba se fana ban fufu ai se free se
na nko omo nya mra nto
so fana ban bi ba no wo betwa be ye diama no the only thing say be bon person we ni be
public no what happens is that sana it become a policy guide so that in central for whoever whether say bia whoever become the flag bearer no in NDC
find it difficult
or MPP will say John Mahama anyway aba aboa Ghana for into what is your stance and what's open na until one say
remember the other side will find it
yeah John Mahama free senior high school
yes
to twem be dey
nanka NDC for no makuma munya panka free senior high school komechum
yeah and a training allowance ne hwan
but pushing ne buy na afie dru baby no na wo say ye penny wo mu you understand and see it is good
but it's left with one thing what kind me kai no article 71
why dey
sa no emolument no sa no me kai no na nya se bia me ye yo me kai no me kai John Dramani
teacher no chere John Mahama de with the greatest of respect our be president Kufadom teacher for ya de na e bia chere
ko pension kura 100,000
5 years na nsan ko bi UCC kura man double the fridge
article
71 wo kwa 4 years
munya na ye kakra ejobi wo ha at least better within 6 months who say John Mahama still na no oh ni nyoma ba ku mienu bi na madwa no but still me mark na me ma John Mahama 7/10 ni papa ne ye John Mahama papa ne ye chen kakra ne ne empese obeye na nkosai no but so far still me ma no 7/10
but Bonohene say just say there be settings because baby and coffee omu fuels no filling station no Mahama won close no too close in the church here what be kind of public say work but no key obekoswabu because so we see what close who's work the any close that filling station na na MP for ya ko bu petrol free no close na uza fit ya close it any tun time oba beto fuel filling station bi akebia ne uza ne work
wa ye de ma omo no wa yi afiri ho enti omo a na beto omo fuel
wey
eba to ye Ghana ni a aban we settings wo pa aban a wo ye settings pa trese plane di amanfo ko gudamu yenye ni sei yenka ni sei yenye drama enchire Ghana for yenye concert party enchire Ghana for di omo pa se me sere no omo sere no omo remfi omo ho a eye NDC aban
and obedi don't know can you
say come on me no di no
me can na da ho no
omo ye nkrofo omo nunu Ghana for exact Ghana for obi o scammer bia no or ya head of you tie me
etumpan
ya kaso obi ya scammer kromfo panini tambia wo dwena head of you nipa na obes scam no wo dwena head of you and John Drummond my point in time was Ghana for short memory because what tell them every Ghana for adwene say nche na yerefi
and no na me dwen ho a me tiase
and to obeteki asia was san kotre dem say eh ade a me be yi san na maye befa no odi kan de ade bia bebom mankamfo na mavo waye ade o nti wo kun wo mia kura no a
wey boy
eda wotre nyame yadom a di levy no dum so levy no start
etumpan
eda wotre nyame yadom bibia mesi na bibia ko pepepa I'm telling you di levy ebe start wo Ghana di levy na bia na on tiase dum so levy petrol bo ebe kosoro by 1 Ghana city enti sani ebe da wochena woko pump station na petrol bo se ye betumu a yatum unsu meka asem no ene miemfa we mra na Ghana for meka so na sem appointees ni kura no fu se no omo ana eto made enti no ya omutumu a enya hwe woboa bibi
boy
wadi biti Ghana for adwen trekese
wey boy
me ba tofu no ba bia government appointees omoje no omoje ne Castro osu omoje bi o Jubilee House
me can na da ho no
Samampai John Dramani Mahama wo mini asama wo ka no a won close osu Jubilee House ba bia omoje fu oni free won close won tum
me can na da ho no
kwacho of osu anu nzanye obosu kwate wo ya de pa press conference ni videos ni pictures one Sam George nom ene okujato nom mutumu wi a muntwitwa pictures mo de social media ne Twitter na mo de gu Ghana muntwitwa pictures na mo mfamra na Ghana for hu se baabi asese government appointees no o mo gifu wo no ya tutum that means a government appointee bi antimi nko ho Ghana for beti ase
me can na da ho no
ba ma mo ma bonte me ka se ye sizi ye mo bi afu obio na Jubilee House ye chefu wo
etumpan
na osu ye chefu wo
hwene akasa
oba ha kra na bi mu timi di fuwa coupons emo mo mpran no mo ko eko Philibi
107.3 asase
ni ababo nten ya beka na fefe de ade ba tumo se enye sa ade na ekoso in any case safu ono a wo se wo de ma government appointees na wo ye free wono sign the be save Ghana bra out ade na wo ye no enye plan abana ntinki true mame di levy be benti mame nya de putupu na be nka be ka kire Ghana for say government appointees nyina dodo ye sei fu wo edemo amono bosumi bi ye sei ye kase ye katia e be save Ghana e bia 1 billion every month 2 billion every month the ordinary Ghanaian transfer say ha mampanyi na yade
etumpan
right entimi ankyere sike be save Ghana the aka ne say fu am pesa de mo nyina no sebi producer ye twani nyina yam
wey
ni account we gumza
wey
government appointees no and political appointees no hefo de na yetwam ministers ana CEOs na ana say hefo
me can na da ho no
chief executive officers de na yetwam
and obedi don't know
ministers de na yetwam
etumpan
presidential staffers de na yetwam ana you hear details
hwene akasa
me answer me je di no me hear details
etumpan
Momra na mometre mukyerɛ mu a na mutimi kyerɛkyerɛ we nyinaa de a that means ebetimi agye atum sɛ no korɛ mayi afiri hɔ
ne ka na da hɔ no
do trick no ɛya dɔso azano ɛya dɔso
etumpan
enti momfa saa details ne mmra
hwene akasa
monkɔto osu ne Jubilee House baabi a amanfo kɔgye fi wɔ no montwitwa pictures na monyɛ press conference momfa nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ nkɔ menyɛ kaka mo frɛ me ameba na menkɔ hu si atum ade deɛ yɛ ka ebetumi aka kyerɛ Ghanafoɔ na deɛ mu yɛ deɛ settings tell mamenkɔ
no kra na dikan
na ne krakra mo ba na committed a wɔmfa mmra yɛbɛtumi de akɔ ɔman yi mu asojwa fie yɛne control ɔman yi mu asojwa fie we have the executive powers ɛdɛn naka fa mmra sɛ going forward as ɔman woyɛ government and a political appointee a ɔman na sɛ mmra sɛ yɛ ma fu wɔ briw woyɛ ne saa deɛ a Ghana ni ti ase a wɔte ase ma ne kɔ adwene mu
ne ka na da hɔ no
akwama nkɔ
What I say? It was the same Bonohene and Jantuah abeka the France Mahama abeka fuel allowance for government officials to air concern. What is your take on this particular issue? I Penyah block me. Comment section.